Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome in Study with Nova. Welcome alamak. So today I will show you how to solve this question about arbitrary again, like before. That is a write a function that store information about a car in a dictionary. The function should always receive a manager and model name. So you have parameter that are three parameter. The first one is manufacturer, and the second one is model, and then the third one is your information. It's called that accept arbitrary number of keywords argument, because we using like the keyword argument, and they call the function with the required verb and two others name value pairs. And then such a color or an optional feature, and then your function should work for a call like this one. Car, make a car, okay. Make car, Subaru, Outback, color blue, okay. So the function is the name is make car, print the dictionary that's returned to make sure all the information was store correctly. So you just add definitions and then make car, and then don't forget to add your what the meaning manufacturer and model, profile info maybe, and then what is Subaru at Outback, color, I don't know, it is Subaru is model or manufacturer. I don't know a lot about what the meaning about that, but I would like to maybe that is manufactured too. And then the second one is manufacturer, and then profile info, there's a, and then Outback, there's a Outback, and then there's a model maybe. Wait a minute, there's a model, and then there's a model too, and then return to profile info. Okay, you just have the variable that the car, and then you get function that make car, and then you get your argument here that is Subaru, and then Outback, and then color is blue, and then tow package. What is tow package? Package is I was wrong. So package is what? I don't think yeah, okay, what? This is true food, and then you just print your variable here, car. Okay, then it's easy. Python 3H15 cars. Unexpected color blue. Oh, wait a minute, I would like to add this because there are keywords argument here. Yeah, color blue, tow package true, and then manufacturer is Subaru, model is Outback. Maybe I don't know a lot about car, so maybe it is true. So, and then you just add to your git add python, and then git commit min m. What's the difference? Using arbitrary again, and then Then let's try another questions. Bye bye.